So this video is about Google Sheet date based formula. So on this video we can learn about, like, we can separate date difference or manage order data which come from WordPress or Shopify or any other platform, like the last from the last date that person purchase and didn't purchase from last 60 days, something like that. Automatic today date input. So let's show you how you can do that. So, and let me do the heading. So first row is today, second row is customer added date or any date, and here third row is difference. Let me highlight them. Okay, so let me show you how you can set the today's date. So every time the date change, the date will also automatically change. That's it. That will be the today's date. Here I can set in date like old date. Okay, so when you need to difference of days, you need to add a formula. Like, this is the formula you can see. So let me explain the formula, the array formula. So this formula will work for every data who is add on below. Okay, so it will do automatically. So this is the A and this is the A2 field, and this is the B2 field. So the difference will be A field and B field. The data will be 65. Okay, okay, then if new people added, like, let me add another date like 4 by 4. So the day difference 33. Okay, so let me import. This 6. So let me 6. Okay, so first option is month here. So the option will be month, day, year. This is the format Google Sheet working on. So if the month is 5, date is 5, 2024, it should be 2 here. Yeah. Okay, so this is the formula. So this is the formula. So if new people added below in future, like 4/7/2024, so it will work automatically. So you can find a delay between dates. Okay, let me tell you one thing, like if any data added here, like 4/4, so you can see there is no output because the date didn't came here automatically. So if I let me do a thing. So all that already added. Three by five. Okay. So the dates are not dynamic. So let me show you how you can set up live if any data added on this any row, the date will automatically generate here. So let me show you how you can do that. So I found a solution. So let me show you. This was my assignment. So I did remove the present day. So the process will be like, I want to measure the difference, like if anybody ordered on 3rd of March 2024, so from today what will be the difference of day. So today is 7 May. So I can add a present just for reminder. Okay, it's just for highlight, not using to any section. Okay, so I add the formula like this is the A2, and it will always minus from present day, I mean today. Okay, so if any person ordered on 3rd March, so the the delay the purchase they purchase about 65 days ago. If the date is 7 October 2023, they purchase before to 13 days ago. So my condition is those person didn't purchase since 180 days, they should add a special tag. Okay, so those two person didn't purchase from last 180 days, that means 6 month. So it will automatically added the tag here. If I give the like January 7 24, then that purchase day before purchase day 121, so didn't add the tag. But if that person like on 2023, so they purchase before 274 before 274 days, and the tag will be 6. If that person again purchase on October 28, the purchase days is still on 180 days. If any person purchase on December 28, the purchase before day 131 and the tag removed. Okay, so I want to select those person who and the trigger should be work on every month first day of the month. So I'm struggling with find this, but hopefully I will find the solution because it's not complex. But this process seems like a little bit complex to me before, but it's clear to me. So the issue is, if any person purchases before 180 days, so they will got a tag 6. So this is the tag, and we can filter any data something like that dynamic on our automation with Zapier. So next video will come very soon, so please subscribe and stay with me. Have a nice day.